What's up, everybody? Mike here from Red Apple Fireworks. I'm here at our store in Prom, Nevada, checking out the top 5 best fountains in the Red Apple lineup. Fountains make a great addition to any show. Not only are they a great opener, but they're gonna help fill up that bottom part of your show where there's not a lot going on except for the ground, a little black sky, and then the booming fireworks on top. Fountains really add a lot of color and help excite the crowd as the show goes on. Let's take a look. Starting here with number 5, this is the glowing Lotus fountain from our Pagoda brand. Now, this is a very cool shaped fountain, as you can see, and the great thing about this fountain is that this lasts for over 1 minute. You're looking at about 70 seconds of showtime right here. Loud volume and a built-in finale in this fountain right here. So let's go light it up. Come on. Number 4 is one of the first Red Apple fountains right here. This is the Silver Spiral Special Effect Fountain. Why is it special effect? Because it's got a built-in spinning effect. So as you light it, as it does this thing, it's gonna start spinning on the ground. Very cool effect. Spinning it around to the color and effect box, lots of colors to choose from, including green, neon yellow, pink, and purple. Besides the spinning effect right here, we've got crackling, we've got dandelions, we've got stars. This is an absolutely beautiful fountain. And the next step is lighten it up. Come on. All right, number 3 right here is totally updated, totally upgraded for 2022. This is the brand new popcorn fountain, packed with super bright orange and gold colors, as well as very loud crackling, hence popcorn. Up to 85 seconds of performance time, so almost a minute and a half. Loud volume, and like I said, a beautiful upgraded performance. Turning around to the color and effect box, not a ton of colors to choose from, but still super bright, super colorful. Golds, neon yellow, and silver. For effects, this one is all about crackle, but it also does have some very cool fish effects. Let's light it up so you can see why I love this fountain. And I've got a quick honorable mention right here. This is the Rainbow Blade handheld fountain. That's right, you can hold in your hand. It's pretty much a sparkler on steroids, but so many more colors, different effects, and this is a absolutely awesome item to light up and have some fun with. Lots of different colors: blue, gold, orange, purple, red, and silver, crackling and waterfall effects. Lots of different colored stars coming out of this thing, and I absolutely love it. Number 2 right here, part of our signature series lineup. This is the Lucky Koi Fountain. Part of our signature series, meaning that this koi on the package was designed by a local celebrity tattoo artist, King Ruck, with his signature right there. Up to 45 seconds of duration, colorful and crackling effects, loud volume, and a built-in finale. Taking a look at some of the colors and effects right here, we've got blue, gold, red, and silver, crackling effects, dandelion effects, and colorful stars. The great thing about this Lucky Koi Fountain is that it actually has a fan-shaped performance, so when you light it up, you're gonna actually see a performance coming out of the entire top of this koi fish right here. So let's grab a couple and let's go light them up. Come on. And number 1 on my list, the obvious choice right here, is the ice cream cone fountain. Number 1 on this video right here, and also one of my top 10 favorite fireworks in the entire Red Apple lineup. Up to 80 seconds of performance time, loud volume, should probably say very loud volume because this is a noisemaker, built-in finale, and super bright neon colors including neon green and neon blue, beautiful golds, shining silvers. Not only is it gonna crackle it with different colored stars going off, but this is the only item in the store with these beautiful rainbow sprinkles effects. I can't wait to light it up. Let's go. All right, Pyro Squad, thank you for hanging out with me and checking out the top 5 fountains for 2022. As always, these fountains are available at any of our locations in Nevada, Michigan, or Georgia, and online at redapplefireworks.com. So load up and let's go have some fun. Peace.